An income statement reveals your business's financial pulse, showcasing both triumphs and challenges on paper. Also known as a profit and loss statement, it's a crucial financial document for every business. Understanding its key elements can drastically enhance your decision-making and strategic planning. Revealing how much money your business earned and spent, it empowers growth and efficiency. 4 categories: revenue, gains, expenses, and losses, create a comprehensive financial snapshot for your business. Revenue is generated from core activities, and tracking it ensures you're capitalizing on your strengths. Expenses can drain your profits, but recognizing them helps identify areas for potential savings. A clear income statement reveals the balance between profits and expenses, guiding future investments. Whether it's a single-step or multi-step approach, crafting this statement can optimize your financial strategy. Leverage our free income statement template to simplify your finances and reclaim your passion for business.